Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Stock Market Show. This is your host, Shades. As always, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Let's talk about BBAI. Some people have been asking me, is it a buy? Well, technically, if you wanted to take the risk, yes. $5, that's our support. We would expect buyers to show up and step in at that level. They did. It's at 561 in after hours. So the question is, what do we got here for news? Is there any news on this one, or... We know what moves the stock. It's those... we have earnings as well. 3 days from now. I wonder if it's going to pump in anticipation of earnings. I don't play earnings. I don't bother with it. We know what really moves the stock is those contracts. So, I think I would wait to see if it pulls back and retests $5. Because we've seen that happen with a lot of stocks. Finds support, comes right back to support, and retests it. So I would look for the retest of support. Earnings, if that goes great, then we're not going to see we're just not even going to see a retest, obviously. Let me look at their earnings. Usually on earnings, I'm noticing on earnings, they kind of don't really... Here's a huge gap down on earnings. Sheesh. That's a huge drop. So, I'm not going to play no earnings. That's just tomfoolery right there. It could easily gap down a lot. Or gap up a lot, right? Why would I play the 50-50? We're here for better odds than that. So I would wait for the retest of 5. If it holds there, then we know that buyers love it at 5. And we step in with them and just ride it and flip it for 8 to 20% until we get the next pump. Like I always say, you want to buy when it gets cheap. Too many people, they bought it at literally... double the price of where it's at right now. So you'd be getting it at a 50% discount is how you have to think of it. People don't think of it that way, I think. I don't know why people always chase up here. It's so silly. I'm like, why would you want to pay more when you can just wait for it to come back down? Oh, but it's never going to come. Yeah, it always comes back down. I don't know what people are thinking. Do they just become so bullish that they become irrational and think that things are just going to go up forever? I don't know. But I would wait for the retest of 5. And after earnings at this point. Yeah, just wait after earnings. To play it safe. I mean, I'm about playing it safe. I don't do the... If you want to play high risk, high reward, there's plenty of penny stocks out there.